Hello. The steering wheel in my car is not firm anymore. It is an unpleasant experience to hold something like this while driving. The time has come to do something about it. I can try to glue it internally somehow, but the best option will be to replace the whole steering wheel. The replacement wheel is not new, but it is solid. First, I disconnect the battery cable and wait about 30 minutes. I need this long Torx number 30 to undo two bolts holding the airbag. I can access them from behind the wheel. It can be a different setup in other cars. The airbag is out. I pull out the connector and set it aside. Here you have the internals of the wheel. The airbag plug, locking screw, main bolt, and horn connectors. I take out the locking screw and insert it into the clock spring mechanism. Now I lock the steering wheel. Gently screw in the locking screw to hold the clock spring mechanism in place. Main bolt out. It doesn't matter in my case, but in general it is a good idea to mark the alignment. In some cars, you need a puller to remove the wheel. In this Volvo 940, you just take it out. As you can see, the locking screw holds the spring assembly in place. The design here is not really good. The locking screw opening doesn't align with the locked steering wheel position. If I don't lock the wheel, I can easily break this clock spring mechanism while undoing the main bolt. The new old wheel. As you can see, it fits only in one position. Thread locker. I don't want this wheel to pop up while driving. Torque wrench and 34 Newton meter. The locking screw out. Battery reconnected. Ignition on. The last on the right is the airbag. Testing. Testing. The light is out. Good. Here I have the clock spring mechanism. The airbag connector. This one connects under the dash. Inside this thing you have two spiral springs, similar to the old clock spring. This mechanism allows to keep an electrical connection while we turn the wheel left or right. And what if we let the mechanism loose? Simple. Turn it far right or left, then opposite, and count how many turns you can do. Wind it up halfway and lock it in position. With the wheels straight, now you can turn the steering wheel right and left without breaking the spring inside.